Are you playing, Joshua? Is this your new friend? Hi.
Oh, Gordy, you like video cameras too, huh?
Are you sharing?
Is that train so much fun, Gordy? Do you hear your mom?
Joshua, look, let me show you. Give me.
Whoa, the letters come up on the thing. That's awesome. Gordy, you should probably learn how to share.
Are you showing him how it works, Josh? What do you think, bud?
Gordy's like, my train.
Fine, I'm gonna play with the keys.
Keys are cooler than trains. Okay, the train's cooler. Didn't you see I was playing with that, Josh? Whoa, how about this chain big?
Dibs. I call dibs. You trade?
Gordy's like, I don't think so.
Nice try there, bucko.
Let's see if this one will work. Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse on the train.
Are you saying hi to the camera, you little ham? Yay! We're sharing! You're so very nice, Josh. Oh, yeah.
Gordy, can you smile for the camera too? Or are you too focused?
This is a pretty intense toy.
Got all kinds of things to do.
Alright.